So just thought I'd pop on tonight because I've been thinking about different video ideas for my channel, and quite a few comments recently have been around. I've mentioned the menopause every now and again, and I've been speaking to a few people, a few of my friends, and we're all sort of hitting that age. But for some reason, the menopause is a very taboo subject. And I have to say, I don't know an awful lot about it myself, but I think I'm embarking on the perimenopausal stage. So I want to find out a bit more about it, and I want to talk about it a bit more because people just don't talk about it for some reason. So I'm thinking of doing a series called The Menopause Diaries. I don't know why I'm laughing, it's not a funny subject. But I don't want it to be too serious. That's sort of a bit of a name I'm giving to it. So what are your thoughts on that? Is that something you'd be interested in? I know not all of you are that sort of age, and I know a lot of you won't be interested in it, but I do have a lot of subscribers that are the menopausal age, which can be anything, I think, from about 35 to about 55. So could be you. So I'm thinking I may do a once a month live. Not sure about that yet. I'm not sure how I feel about lives. Only because I'm not sure if I get the support. So if you'd be interested in that. So I'm going to ask you in a minute all the stuff that you'd be interested in. So I'm thinking about doing a live, maybe a Q&A. I'd like to know what you'd like me to talk about, what you'd like to see. Maybe anything physically, I don't know, within reason. I'd like to talk about the different stages of the menopause, the different symptoms. There's a symptoms checklist. Did you know there's something like 40 different symptoms that can be attributable to the menopause, which is absolutely crazy. Stuff I'd not even thought about. Sleeping. Yes, you have the hot flushes, the body changes, but there's sleeping, there's mood swings, there's appetite, there's bloating, dizziness, forgetfulness, your gums change, your body changes. There's absolutely loads and loads of stuff that I'm really interested in getting to know. So if that is something that you might be interested in, can you please leave me a comment down below to let me know if it's worth me doing these videos, if you're interested in watching them, what you'd like me to discuss, what subjects, what you'd like to see. I want to be pretty open. I won't be too personal. I'm quite open to talking about quite a lot of personal stuff within reason. Yeah, so let me know down below what your thoughts are on that. I really hope you'll support this, and you know, let's not make it such a taboo subject. Let's make my little The Menopause Diaries something where me and you can be honest and open and tackle a few it is serious, and it's very personal, and it's things that might be going on in your life or my life that we don't realise. You just put it down to certain, yeah, it's this reason, it's that reason, or feeling a bit anxious because of this, or you blame it on something else, and it could well be it's just your body changing, going into next stage of life. So yeah, let me know down below, and hopefully I'll be back soon with the first video.